If you can guess who this is, I will give you a $1,000 check, personally. Okay, hello folks. We've got, well, we won't say her name because she said she didn't want to show her face. So so we're not gonna even let her say her real name actually, since she doesn't want to show her face. So we're gonna call her A. Okay? All right, A, what's going on with you today?
Just came to get my back fixed.
She came to get her back fixed, but she's not having any pain, so she's here for a wellness visit. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. So no pain, no problems, but here for wellness. And for some of you that don't know, chiropractors adjust the spine, and the spine controls everything in the body. The spine is your nervous system. Your nervous system controls all your muscles, organs, cells, tissues, everything in your body. So if you want to have a healthy body and a healthy nervous system, you should be seeing a chiropractor. Not every day, not every week, but for maintenance care once in a while. That might be 5 or 6 visits a year. It could be 10 or 12. It just depends on the shape of your spine. She's young, had a few small injuries. So for her, once every 2-3 months, 4 to 6 visits a year is just right for her. But for other people that have more chronic degenerative problems, arthritis, degenerative disc disease, other issues and old injuries to their back, they may need it more often, like once a month, 10 to 12 visits for maintenance care or wellness care each month. So you said a little bit of lower back tightness, discomfort?
Yes, a little bit.
Okay. And let me guess, it's just a guess. I guess it's a 50-50 guess. But your discomfort is more on the left side when you do get it, or is it more on the right?
I feel like it's in the center.
Right in the center?
Yeah.
Okay. Right in here?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we're going to start with you're going to lay on this side, but since you don't want to show your face, we're going to stick this to your face. We're going to glue it. No, you got to face me over here.
Okay.
And we're going to glue this to your face. So come to me, face me. I'm standing in front. No, face me. Turn your whole body. Yep. And she's really shy, folks. Really shy. Maybe she's famous. We'll never tell you. But we're going to bend this leg here. There we go, A. And we're going to pull that arm out. Okay, now if you want to hold your oversized face mask, lift your head up. Lift your head off the pillow. Here, we're going to tuck yeah, there we go. You're fully covered. Take a deep breath in and blow all the way out. Good. And the other side up. I'm blocking the camera, so. Sorry, folks, but we always listen to requests. So, nothing really major going on with her. The pelvis was a little bit out of alignment. She does skateboard from time to time. That's a hobby of hers. Good. And lay on your stomach. A little tender right there.
Everywhere.
Yeah, right when I touch it to the spine there. Okay.
My traps and around it.
Yeah.
My neck.
Okay. You see her wiggling like a worm? It's because this is not your average Theragun. This is not the kind of Theragun you buy online. It's much stronger. Okay, hold right there. I'm gonna get a bag. We're gonna put a bag over your head as we turn you over. I don't know how to cover her face. Okay, let's get, here, can you hand me some face paper from there? Okay, we're gonna have you turn over on your back here in just a second. And we're gonna give you some face paper to cover over your head. Don't worry, we're not gonna give you a bag. Okay, go ahead, turn over on your back. I'm standing in front. Okay, and you're going to hug yourself. So in front of you like this. Pri, I need your help here. So you're gonna hold the face paper over her head. Okay, and I'm gonna lay her back, but we're gonna scoot her forward first. So we're gonna scoot you forward. Yep. Okay, and I'm gonna, sneak my hand in there, but you'll just hold that on her face to cover her face. That's your job. So she's the face coverer. Okay, and here we go. Ready? Tuck your chin down. Take a deep breath in. And actually, I'm gonna have you slide down more. Yep. Right in the hole there. Okay. Tuck that chin. Take a deep breath in. And blow all the way out. Stay tucked. Stay tucked. Good. Good. And relax. Okay. All right. Thank you. You are a great face coverer. Great job. Everybody give her a round of applause. You can relax your arms. Okay. A little bit sensitive there, aren't you? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Have you had any headaches?
No.
Good. Just some tension in the neck?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And you can relax your arms. Yeah. So if anybody can guess who this is, I'm just gonna say, can I say it? I'm not gonna say who you are. She's famous, she's well known. We're gonna leave it at that. If you can guess who this is, I will give you a $1,000 check, personally, okay? So make your comments below, comment below who you think this is. Whoever guesses, they will get a check. They'll get a private message first from me. Comment below on this video, and you might just be the lucky winner. Relax here. Good. Much better. Much, much better. Okay, relax here. Okay, now you can just relax there. Thanks again. Comment below. Tell me who you think that is. And you could win $1,000.